In previous video, we have seen how to send verification email. In this video, we will look at how to reset password. So in activity_sign-in, we will create a text view with text forgot password and we will place it to the left of verify email. I will copy the verify email text view and paste it above the verify email text view. This time, ID will be tv_forgot_passwd. Text, forgot password. Horizontal bias will be 0.25. Now, create reference for forgot password in sign-in activity. Text view, tv_forgot_passwd. tv_forgot_passwd equals, find view by ID, id.tv_forgot_passwd. tv_forgot_passwd dot set on click listener. So first, we need to check if email address is entered or not. If it is entered, then we need to send the password reset link to that email address. If et_sign-in_email dot get text dot to string dot is empty, then et_sign-in_email dot set error, please enter email ID. Else, mauth, send password reset email et_sign-in_email dot get text dot to string dot add on complete listener. If task dot is successful, which means reset link is sent, then toast password reset link sent. In Firebase Authentication, under Templates tab, we can see template for password reset. We will press on the edit button. We will leave sender name as it is. We will add a paragraph in message section. We will add some random text, nothing specific. Click on Save. Now, go back to Android Studio and click on Run. Here, I will click on Forgot Password twice, first time without entering email ID and second time after entering email ID. You can see the email here. It contains our account email ID and the password reset link. I will click on this link and enter a new password. I will enter new password and click on Save. Now, I will go back to app and try to sign in with old password and then with new password. In upcoming videos, we will see how to update password.